Spike Solutions, your partner to future-proof your HR strategy.
Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming human resources, with many tasks projected to be automated in the coming years. But are we truly prepared for the regulations accompanying this shift? The EU AI Act, the world's first comprehensive legal framework for AI, aims to manage risks and establish Europe as a leader in trustworthy AI. This video will explain why HR compliance with the EU AI Act is not just important, but absolutely crucial for your business's future. Many HR AI applications, including those for recruitment, performance management, and employee monitoring, are classified as high risk under the Act. Specific examples include AI systems for targeted job ads, application analysis, candidate evaluation, and tools that influence decisions on promotions or task allocation. The Act also prohibits AI-based emotion recognition in the workplace, unless for medical or safety reasons, along with practices like social scoring or untargeted data scraping. For high-risk systems, key obligations include ensuring data quality, transparency, human oversight, and robustness. Employers must inform candidates and employees about AI use, explaining its function and decision-making processes. This also means ensuring staff have sufficient AI literacy through training programs and implementing robust data management to prevent bias. Continuous monitoring of high-risk AI systems is also required to identify and mitigate potential risks effectively. Non-compliance can lead to severe financial penalties, reaching up to 35 million euros or 7% of a company's global annual turnover, whichever is higher. Other violations can incur fines up to 15 million euros or 3% of turnover, while providing incorrect information could result in fines up to 7.5 million euros or 1% of turnover. The Act took effect on August 1st, 2024, with prohibitions on unacceptable risk AI effective from February 2nd, 2025, and rules for high-risk systems by August 2nd, 2026. In summary, HR AI is frequently high risk, compliance is mandatory, and the penalties for non-adherence are severe. It's imperative for HR professionals and business leaders to begin auditing their AI systems and prepare for compliance now. The future of HR is undoubtedly AI-driven, but it must be responsible, ethical, and fully compliant with evolving regulations.